Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to add songs in Instagram story. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that swipe to left and click on this button. And now if you want to add music to your story, you can click on this little button. And after that, click search music and find any song, for example. And click here. And after that, click done. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.